The Vice-Chancellor of Peter University, Achina, Professor Chukwu Emenam Mezinwa, has called on musicians of Igbo extraction to promote Igbo language through folk music to save it from extinction. The Vice-Chancellor made a call at a music seminar held at the headquarters of the Anambra State Universal Basic Education Board, OKA, organized by Libra Entertainment in collaboration with the State Ministry of Culture, Entertainment and Tourism and Rotary International Zone 38. Correspondent Chukwuemeka Modelim filed the report.
Facing the gathering, Professor Umezinwa, who spoke on the importance of music to humanity and commerce, explained that the event was aimed at promoting music by encouraging professional musicians and unprofessional ones to play music in public and private arenas, so that as music is a universal language,
good that we begin with ourselves, make our music strong, our traditional music, our church music, our local music, our musicals, and our local support, for the patronage of government. For me, individuals, some individuals have patronized. That's because they won't do talent, but I don't already have patronized in our sponsor.
The Vice-Chancellor, who is also a Reverend Father, urged great Igbo musicians and upcoming ones to always market Igbo language by promoting folk music like Mr. Mike Ejaga, Ali Chukwuma, Osita Osadebe, so that Igbo language will gain global recognition, even as he appealed to government and well-to-do individuals to encourage young musicians by sponsoring good traditional, local, and Christian music composed in Igbo language. On his part, the Commissioner for Culture, Tourism, and Entertainment, Comrade Don Onyenji, represented by Mr. Onochie Ibokwe, advised music lovers to desist from listening to music that will influence them negatively.
From the Honorable Commissioner is that music there, our youth, they should learn to segregate music. They should also know the type of music that they listen to, because music influences life.
The chairman on the occasion, architect Michael Okonkwo, noted that music is a great unifier that appeals to everyone and advised talented musicians to play more of music that has good content and Igbo meaning in order to succeed in their career. In his speech, the Director of General Studies, Paul University, Oka, Dr. Azubike Nkala, charged the youth to choose right what they want to do in life so that they could be fulfilled. The traditional ruler of Umweri, Igwe Bennett Emeka, and his Umuawulu counterpart, Igwe Joel Egwonwu, also highlighted the importance of music to humanity and called for the establishment of more music departments in tertiary institutions to encourage those who are gifted in music to study it as a course. The program saw music lovers from St. Patrick's College, St. John of God Secondary School, all in Oka, entertain the gathering with special tunes. While the program, which was convened by Mr. Eze Onwunji of the Programs Department of Anambra Broadcasting Service, was coordinated by the Assistant Governor, Rotary, District 9142, Mr. Abuchi Nwozo, in Oka, Chukwuemeka Modelim, ABS News.